The Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 was just announced, and yes, it packs a whopping 10 gigs of RAM. Reports claim that there might still be at least one Samsung phone with a notch this year. We get more patents from Samsung as well, this time hinting to a foldable tablet. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I know it's Thursday, I know it's almost Friday, I know I can't wait for it. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals as Best Buy is going all out for the next 2 days when it comes to certain products that are very hard to find on discount. Starting with Apple as we're pretty much so close to the next iPads that of course you've got $100 off the current iPad Pro. And there are other products like, for example, Philips Hue products as well. You can learn more about all the deals in the description. So far that iPad Pro is Now let's talk about the OnePlus 6T as we've got some sources already claiming things like the price tag, which is funny because OnePlus is one of those companies that doesn't really announce how much a product is going to cost up until the event. But the rumors are that the price tag is going to grow again, but not significantly. We hear a probability of between 20 to 40 euros. In some cases, we also heard rumors of 50. We're not exactly sure which one to believe because, again, it's something that we don't learn until last minute. We'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about Samsung, as there are some interesting patents that just emerged of a foldable tablet, and obviously we've been covering the rumors of this since the beginning of time. The funny part is that the rumors and the patents are from 2014. That's just to prove how long ago we've been talking about this. 2014 is when these patents were made. It seems that now they're finally going to see the light of day with all the rumors that have been happening. It's just to prove how long it's taken to get this product off the ground. It's going to be interesting. And speaking of Samsung, there are rumors that that whole UPS under-paneled, sensor system is not necessarily going to make all the Galaxy S10 variants. We've heard that there are 3, that 2 of these are going to have dual cameras at the back and more storage and everything. But apparently that technology is going to be exclusive to these phones, or at least one of these is not going to have it. And the solution is going to be a notch according to patents. Now, the notch is not as we currently see with competing devices. We're talking about a teardrop, small little module that looks a lot like what we saw with the Essential phone. So I'm not saying it's a bad notch, it's just buyers beware. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. I sadly was not able to make that event, and after the whole announcement, I'm sad that I wasn't there, particularly it was in the Forbidden City, but our own Joshua Vergara is currently covering everything there. Stay tuned for his video on what to expect. Oh my god, so I don't know how Xiaomi does this, because surely it's a 6.4-inch OLED display, finally at 1080p. The design is gorgeous. There is this mechanism, that sliding mechanism that brings out the selfie camera. But the price ranges are just crazy. It starts at a minimum of 6 gigs of RAM, and it goes all the way up to 10 gigs, and the starting price is $475. So yeah, of course, if you're gonna wanna get the 10 gigs of RAM, which is crazy overkill, you're talking $725, I believe, depending on the variant. But yeah, it's an awesome phone. You can learn more about it once Josh's video is live, but let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you like the Mi Mix 3? Do you think that it's got everything that the Mi Mix lineup has brought? Because for me, ever since I tried the Mi Mix 2S, which was my first experience with Xiaomi phones, I really like what they do. I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.